Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting your laptop and assets ready so nothing interrupts flow. Once power and cables are set, open PowerPoint and select a template or blank presentation. Make sure slide size is 16, 9 for modern displays, then point PowerPoint to the folder with fonts, images, and videos you'll use. By organizing files now, you avoid broken links and missing media later. Take 2 minutes to confirm default font and language settings so text renders consistently across machines. Now construct your slide deck with attention to consistent design and readable hierarchy. Use Slide Master to set headers, footers, and default fonts so each new slide follows the same rules. Insert charts or video and use Align and Snap to Grid for precise placement. This keeps visual flow tight. For emphasis, add simple transitions and then sequence animations in the animation pane. Preview frequently to ensure timing feels natural. If a slide feels cluttered, split content into 2 slides rather than shrink. Finish by rehearsing your timing and using rehearse timings or record slideshow if you need voiceover. Once done, save the master PPTX and export a PDF for sharing. Also create a copy optimized for older PowerPoint versions if required. Test in slideshow mode on the laptop and on the external display you'll use, confirming resolution and sound. If something goes wrong, try restarting PowerPoint and verify media paths. Broken media usually means files moved. Relink from the original folder and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.